Hello and welcome to PyProjectMate. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to build a viewbot for YouTube. But before moving forward, we would like to mention that this tutorial is only for education purpose. We neither use viewbot to increase the views nor advise others to use it. Sole purpose of this tutorial is to showcase Python capabilities in this field. So let's begin. In the first line, we have imported WebDriver from Selenium package. Selenium package is used to automate web browser interaction from Python. Next, the web browser class contains the implementation of individual browser controlling code. Selenium also requires a driver to interface with the chosen browser. In this example, we have used Chrome browser and its driver is in the same folder as our code. Next, I have imported the time package that will help to suspend the execution of code for the given interval of time in later part of the code. In next three lines, we are taking user input for number of drivers, URL and time to refresh. Number of drivers stands for the number of browsers that we want to open in parallel. URL variable holds value for YouTube video URL link. Time to refresh is the time after which we want to refresh the browsers so that views keep on increasing. Next, we have declared an empty class named drivers. This will contain instances of web drivers. Further, we have a for loop that will create number of drivers requested by the user and store them in drivers list. In line 10, executable path contains the path to my Chrome driver. In the line 11, the .get function will navigate to a page given by the URL. WebDriver will wait until the page has fully loaded before returning the control back to the script. Next, we have an infinite while loop to keep on refreshing all the browsers after the user specified time. To stop execution of script for user defined time, we have used .sleep function from the time package. Time to refresh is the user defined time in the seconds. In last couple of lines, we are refreshing all the browsers using the .refresh function from WebDrivers. This will keep on increasing the views by refreshing the browsers. Now, let's move on to the output. In the output, I am being asked to enter the number of drivers. I am currently entering 2 as I want to open only 2 browsers for demo purpose. Next, I am being asked to enter the URL. Here I will enter the URL of one of my videos that I have uploaded for demo purpose in the unlisted mode. Further, I am being asked to enter the refresh rate in seconds. I am entering 4 seconds as refresh rate. Now, my code is running. Our first Chrome window got automatically opened. If you see carefully, Chrome is being controlled by automated test software is written inside the window. Now, the second browser window also opened. So let's resize both. We can also see that number of views are currently being displayed as 7. You can see that both windows automatically got refreshed and our video is running again. Hence, gaining more view for this automated software. YouTube update the views after some interval. Hence, views will get updated a little bit later. So let me fast forward it so that you can see that number of views are getting increased. You can see that number of views got increased to 10. Now, views are displayed to be 13, then 18, next 24, 28, 35, 47, 56, 69. As you saw, using just 2 browsers and refresh rate of 4 seconds, in few minutes my video got more than 60 views. So theoretically speaking, if you use 24 browsers with a refresh rate of 2 seconds, you can get more than 1 million views in 24 hours. So now try it yourself and tell us how it worked for you in the comment section. If you face any trouble in running the code, please post your error and we will try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon as more such awesome content is on your way. Till then, goodbye.